You're not busy, you're a coward, and right now you're proving it by watching this instead of doing the thing. Nice, I'm swamped. Crazy week. Bullshit, you had 8 hours today, and spent 6 of them refreshing tabs, like a lab rat on fentanyl. Procrastinating feels good for exactly 11 minutes, then the dread hits, but you're already hooked. It's emotional cocaine and tomorrow is the come down you keep choosing. Left side of your brain, I'm gonna wake up at 5, crush the gym, build the business, become a god. Right side, hit snooze 14 times and watches Sigma male edits until noon. You're not lazy. Lazy people are chill. You're terrified. Every task feels like jumping off a cliff because your ego can't handle being bad at something for 5 minutes. I thrive under pressure. Translation: I'm addicted to panic adrenaline because I'm too much of a bitch to feel my normal emotions. Future you is real, and right now he's screaming. He's 35, still broke. Still, gonna start tomorrow. He wants to travel back in time and strangle present you. I say let him. Look at your bank account. Look at your body. Look at your empty Google Doc titled, My $1,000,000 Idea, Draft 1, from 2021. That's not bad luck. That's unpaid coward tax. Starting is the nuclear weapon against procrastination. The task is never as bad as the infinite dread loop you built in your skull. But you already knew that. You just love the loop more than winning. Here's the cheat code. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and move like your hair's on fire. Works because your brain is a toddler and toddlers hate being told what to do. So trick the little bastard. Most people die at 25 and get buried at 75. You're speed running that process every single day. You choose the scroll over the work. Congrats. You're already a ghost. You're not busy. You're running from the discomfort of starting. Every second you delay you're voting for the version of you that loses. Stop negotiating with mediocrity. The pain of discipline is finite. The pain of regret is forever. Choose. If this stabbed you in the soul, good. Subscribe right now. We're building